Hello everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Sunday. Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and I've decided to continue with the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper is Saturday, October the 23rd. 2021. We have one puzzle left. I've already done the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and this one is a Tectonic with 1 star. And this one will be number 3583. Okay, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. So, should be an easy one. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So, let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Single box is always a 1. Here, a single box. There, a single box. Dual boxes? Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? No dual boxes here. Triple boxes. I see here triple box. More triple boxes. Oh, overlooked the dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Okay, only 1. Yeah. So this triple box, only 1 triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 and a 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And if you see the triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, this box can only be the numbers 4 or 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so it cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. All right. Quadra boxes. I see here quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Yeah, we have a 2 there. 3 goes there. Okay. More quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. So, the next step is the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, construction, whatever you name it. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw this. The T shape. If you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the L? Oh, here, another T shape. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Mirrored, yes. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This shape. Let me draw this here. Yeah. Okay. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Only one. I see another shape that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Okay. Yeah. Not so much space. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the shapes of figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4 of them. There are more, but in this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. In this W area shape, we have 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I overlooked this box. This box has the same number as that box, so it should be a 1. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Complicated now. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes, well, these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Of course, this box is connected with that box. And this box is connected with this box. Should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 3 and a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Finish in 11 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, medium, the light, and also a killer Sudoku and a quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, people, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on a Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.